Hey, Knapp Elementary family and students. Just thinking about school. This is one of my favorite songs, so just wanted to perform it for you, and hope you have a nice day. Fall is here, hear the yell. Back to school and ring the bell. Brand new shoes, walking blues. Climb the fence, books and pens. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Walk with me, Susie Lee, through the park and by the tree. We will rest upon the ground and look at all the bugs we found. Safely walk to school without a sound. Here we are, no one else. We walk to school all by ourselves. There's dirt on our uniforms from chasing all the bugs and worms. We cleaned up and now it's time to learn. We cleaned up and now it's time to learn. Numbers, letters, learn to spell. Nouns in books and show and tell. Playtime we will throw the ball and back to class through the hall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. We don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything. We sit side by side in every class. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes it when you sing. Tonight I dream while I'm in bed, and silly thoughts run through my head of the bugs and alphabet. And when I wake tomorrow, I bet you and I will walk together again. 'Cause I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Have a good day.